Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how I use Procreate. So the size of the canvas that I use is this one that I created some time ago. This is the size. I'm gonna show you now the basics of Procreate. So here you can change the size of the brush and the opacity. With 2 taps you can undo the paint stroke. Also, you can delete all the layer like this. To create a perfect shape, you just have to hold the pencil a little longer like this. And to color all in, you drag the color into the circle. The alpha lock permits you to draw just inside the layer that you choose, like I'm doing right now. So now I start by dividing the screen and I put the reference photo on the side like this. And I start drawing a rough sketch to get all the proportions right and to adjust what I want. Then I bring the opacity of this layer down to around 10% and I do a clear sketch on a new layer. After that, I bring the opacity down too, and I hide the rough sketch layer and leave just the clean sketch layer on the top of everything. Now I start the second part of my process, which is doing the base colors to all the elements of my drawing, and each element has a different layer. The brush that I use is the thin ink for almost everything. Now to draw the face, I start by creating a new layer on the top of the layer that I did the skin, and I draw the eyes first, adding the pupil and the lashes and finally adjusting them. Then I grab the same color that I did to draw the hair and I draw the eyebrows. So the third part of my process is doing the shades. And I turn on the alpha lock and I pick two darker tones to do them. And to do these details of the face and the skin, I choose a darker tone. To draw the blush, I use the Gloaming and Soft Blush Grain. Finally, I add some final details to the skin, and then I draw the lips and the nails. And I use kind of the same technique to do the hair and the clothes. To add some shades on the white parts, I use the dry brush with a low opacity in the color purple. And then for the final details, I add some shine to the eyes. Then I play around with the background until I find a color that I like.